Hello, my name is Dr. Namita. Today we'll talk about perianal abscess. So perianal abscesses are basically the most common form of anorectal abscess that we see. So both aerobic and anaerobic organisms can lead to such abscesses. Once the fluid collection is formed, it can spread into the fat of the buttock where there is least resistance. So it can spread into the ischiorectal space also. Patients mainly come with a complaint of anal pain. This anal pain sometimes can be dull, sometimes it is throbbing, or sometimes it is continuous unbearable pain. It can be accompanied with fever, chills, constipation or diarrhea. If the abscess bursts at any time, there can be some purulent discharge that comes out from it. To diagnose any kind of perianal abscess, a physical examination is enough. There are no major tests that are required to diagnose a perianal abscess. These perianal abscesses generally should not be left untreated because then they can turn into fistulas or it can also lead to systemic infections. The best treatment for perianal abscess is basically an incision and drainage. At Healing Hands Clinic, we do this by laser. That is why it is very convenient even for the patients. It becomes a daycare procedure. When patient comes in the morning, afternoon the procedure is done and evening the patient can even go home. Post-operatively, taking care of the wound at home also is pretty easy. You can just clean it with normal water and certain cream or spray will be given to you which you can apply it normally. So if you are facing with such symptoms or if you have any queries, you can contact on the number given below. Even for female patients, we have female proctologists at our clinic. In case of any queries, you can comment below. Also, you can reach out to us at Healing Hands Clinic because Healing Hands Clinic is India's #1 proctology clinic. Thank you.